Last episode, you made your first design. Today we're leveling up, building something with multiple slides that actually flows, like a carousel. This is where design starts to feel like storytelling. So we're on the home page and we're going to go over to templates and search for Instagram carousel. So let's see what we have here. I think we can use this. All right, so we're going to touch on understanding pages a little bit. This panel right here, these are your pages, and this is your whole sequence. Each thumbnail is one slide. Click between them to jump around or hit plus to add another, or you can right click and click insert a new page, or you can duplicate. So I'm just going to delete these because we don't need them. Alrighty, so next I want to touch on layout and hierarchy. Okay, so next, simple rule. Your eyes should know where to look first. Make your main point the biggest text and keep details smaller. That's hierarchy in design. To keep your slides feeling connected, repeat something across all of them. So I think the image is the repetitive thing across all of them. There's a white background for each of them. Then the image has the same red for each of them, just with different photos. So it does look like it belongs to one family. And even when there is not an actual image used, this red color, this red gradient still matches everything. So we have the fonts, we have the colors, and the pictures that make it seem like one cohesive family. Small repetition makes it feel designed, not thrown together. So here's a fun one. If you need a background and you don't have the right photo, we'll go to add content, click on media, click on generate image, and I'm going to ask it to generate a background that doesn't steal the spotlight from an image, or rather an Instagram carousel post about fashion tips with a picture of a model wearing bright red. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. This should be interesting. Okay, so it actually made a picture of a model wearing bright red. So let's take that out. That's the thing with AI, you have to be really deliberate about how you prompt it. If not, it will be very, very, very literal. We can just say generate a plain, nice background that is, we can say generate a background that's nice, but not too busy. How about that? Let's see. Let's see. Let's ask it to make it a pattern. Actually, there's one here that I feel like we can use. Let's see how that works. So we can possibly just enlarge it and take it all the way to the back in our layers panel. Then what I like to do is that I click on this and I can turn down the opacity on this. I can actually change the blend mode so it's a little bit better. So we can turn down the opacity to like 40%, probably a little more because I really want the other thing to stand out. This is just for the purpose of showing how to generate AI images in Firefly. So copy, paste this, and I can right click, send to back, there we go. And I'll do the same for this. Right click, send to back, there we go. So yeah, now we have our AI generated image that we place as a background across all of our carousels. Okay, so we've dropped that image into our slide as a background, and that's a custom visual made in seconds. So that's the great thing about Adobe Firefly. You can just make a custom image if you know exactly what it is that you want and it's not in there. You don't have to go look for any stock photos. And we're done. Of course, you can go to download, make it a PNG or a JPEG, up to you. Then we can download it and this is ready to post on Instagram. That's a complete cohesive carousel. Your own hierarchy, your own Firefly visual, 2 designs down. Episode 3 is next, and that's where it all comes together.